Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss a series of the same discussion how to make money. And here we are going to discuss the third parameter, and that is all about your luxuries. Already I have discussed in the first video, I have discussed about expense. The second video, already I have discussed your want and need. And this is the third parameter we are going to discuss over here. And how much we have left? 50 on the first video, 10 on the second video, and now we are going to discuss another even 10% on your luxuries. So what do you mean by luxury? That you have to decide. There is no definition for luxury, because if somebody is the richest one in the world itself, so for them luxury definition is different. For me, luxury definition is different. Maybe for you it is different. Why? Because based on my income, based on my earning, I only can spend. And if let's say my earning is 5 lakhs, my earning is 10 lakhs, my earning is once year, again on the monthly way I'm just calculating, so based on that I can only spend not beyond 10%. Because luxury is what? It could be your buying a new car, buying a luxury car. Rather than new car, I can say it is luxury car. Probably I can manage with my any kind of XYZ car, XYZ brand itself. But no, I want to put it on a luxury. So there you have to put a dot. If you are going to again spend on your luxury, maybe even buying not only a car, maybe other items, even maybe all other your uh, electronics gadgets, I can say. So for me, what? I just typically I'm not going to even disappoint anyone over here. I'm just as a financial even guy, even I'm just whatever my experience I have gathered even my 19 years, so I'm just saying, sharing over here even with all my case studies. So if you like it, definitely I'll be the happiest one. And if you definitely, if it is all up to you, it is your lifestyle, it is your money, it is your hard-earned money. So if you feel the way even I'm telling you need to spend in that way, or you should not even spend in that way, you want to spend on your one own way, it's up to you itself. But yes, why I'm telling this? Because making money, it's not possible until unless if you do not have a control on all these parameters what already we have discussed. So you can go back and watch these last two videos, then you can come back to this video, so you will be able to understand 10% on my luxuries. It could be your car, could be your electronics gadget, could be let's say any kind of staying even posh even hotel itself, maybe even let's say our international trip, or maybe let's say going with even a let's say yacht, even let's say going for a casino. All these things is my luxuries. I can have a control on this. It is not necessary, it is not even need, it is not my want itself, and it is not, it should not be my basic expense also. Still, yes, whatever age parameter you are, whatever age group you are, you should have even some kind of enjoyment, some kind of, let's say, luxury, even kind of showing off, kind of you're maintaining your own lifestyle, even maintaining with your society, even other people lifestyle. You have to be even in that level also, but not beyond 10%. So again, if my earning is 1 lakh, even my earning is 5 lakhs, again my earning is 1 year, not beyond this 10%, I should not go for it. And again a big caution for all your plastic cards, all even you're owing money to from anyone. No, I do not have money, but still I need to go for it. It is new year, it is 31st night, it is some particular day, it is, let's say, this moment I need to enjoy. Even I don't have money, I need to borrow even from somewhere, and I need to even pay later. That means you are actually your capital depreciation. First of all, whatever capital I have, that only I'm not able to manage. Out of that, again, if I'm going to borrow some money, owe some money, so that means what? I'm actually under my debt. That is not good, right? So again, thanks for watching. If you like it, definitely you're always welcome, even for any kind of queries, any kind of even discussion. I'm always welcome in my chat box, in my mailbox. We'll be waiting for all your queries. Thanks once again. Thanks for watching.